What is up everyone, this is Kiran here. Welcome back to Tech Kiran YouTube channel. I just wanted to share with you what's on my phone, which ROM I'm using, which apps I'm using. So I thought I should make a video on this one. As you can see, I'm using Poco X3 here, and in my Poco X3 I'm using this ROM. I'm not gonna tell you the ROM name, that which ROM I'm using right now on my device. Let me just give you an idea. Let me just share with you some things about this ROM. As you can see, the default launcher, default icons, you already saw about that. Everything is good. One thing you can simply tell that this is not a MIUI. It's very simple. So I'm using an AOSP ROM, of course, which is based on Android version 11. These are some apps I'm using, and I'm not gonna share the about information that which ROM I'm using. Let me just give you an hint that this is AOSP based Android version 11. Just get an idea with that and just guess it and comment in the comment box that which ROM I'm using right now on my device. The battery backup seems to be good and decent enough. This is why I'm using this ROM on my device, and I'm using this ROM maybe for more than 2 or 3 days, 4 days. Basically it's just working good. I'm just feeling good with this ROM. Actually, everything seems to be good. I always use multitasking on my device, which matters for me a lot. This is the minimum refresh rate. I'm using 90 Hz. My device supports 120 Hz and also 60 Hz, 90 Hz present there. I use 90 Hz. I don't use 120 Hz mostly, but 90 Hz is just working good. These are some apps which I'm using on my device. For example, these are the Google Docs, and we have the VPN. I always use this VPN app on my device, which is called Betternet. I usually use this app. Not sure about you, but I usually use this Betternet app. Also, I normally use Gcam to record videos from my device, and yes, Gcam is perfectly working in this build. This is why I'm using this. I'm using actually Gcam 8.1 here. The switching lenses are quite good. Let me show you which Gcam I'm using right now on my device. For example, if I go for the info, this is the Gcam which I'm using, Gcam 8.1 Nikita Gcam, because it has the autofocus, it has the focus stabilization, video stabilization options. So this is why I'm using this on my device. Even I'm also using F-Droid. If you don't know what is F-Droid, F-Droid is a client where you can get some interesting kind of apps for your device. Make sure to check out the F-Droid app. Also, you can simply search on Google to find out this app. Other apps, as you can see, I'm using Island. Island is a very interesting app. Actually, we can simply install these apps on your device if we want to. PayPal, Paytm, all the options. I'm using the banking apps related things. If you don't know, you can use them on your device also. And every Pixel app which I sometimes use or sometimes don't use, but still present here. I'm using this build on my device because, let me tell you one more thing, because it comes with the face lock and fingerprint, both of the options. I sometimes use face lock, I sometimes don't use a face lock, but still if the face lock is present there, it's good. I'm using this build, but it doesn't include the app lock, which I don't use mostly on my device. So if it is not available, I have no issues. And these were the things I just want to let you know. Please keep guessing that which ROM is this. Make sure to comment below. If you got an answer, make sure to comment below. I will tell you that which ROM is this, but right now I'm not gonna tell you which ROM I'm using on my device. This is all. This was just, I just wanted to share with you that which ROM I'm using, some apps I'm using. I hope you got it. I hope you like this. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.